today we had lot of activities, but today in the morning when we went to jungle and we had one activity, really it touched my heart. Maybe I don't know about the others. The activity was that we are two person. One was blind and other cannot speak. See, when I am blind, so definitely I think that there is some weakness in my and my team is cannot speak. But we have been given a goal. But when we together joined our hands and together we achieved. So this gave me a very good feeling that maybe whatever weakness in a team, if we are a team, we can win. If target was given separate go, definitely we had lose. So this gives that together we win and divided we lose. So this is a very really good exercise. Thank you.
Thanks for management to give me such a wonderful workshop program. So basically, during these 2 days, I learned that where exactly I am, and where I'm stand, and what are my weakness and what are my strengths, and how to work on strengths in the company that I want to improve. And also for personal, it's a very good benefit for me. I find out the problems what are happening in my personal life and how to overcome that. I got the solution, so I will work on this.
Good afternoon. Thanks once again to the top management for the wonderful training. Similarly, as the Pankaj San, I will just make the balancing between my personal life and professional life. I keep more devotion towards my family, my kid, my wife, and for the team member. Through the SWOT analysis, I just enhance the strength, whatever with the strength available with my teamwork, and I apart from the futuristic and kind of some kind of supervisor and kind of the activity, I have to keep myself for the future planning so that my all organization will complete for their achievement targets.
See, what we attended the training, there was many good parts, but one part which I liked the most, when we were discussing about strength and weakness of a person, and as thanks to Mr. Srinidhi, he told that always we focus on our weak part. Whenever there is a weak part, we try to develop that part, but we ignore our strength part. So what I learned from this training, that from tomorrow onward, I will focus on my strength part. If this is my strength, I will make it more stronger, so that definitely one day my weakness will go. So now from today onwards, and in fact in my personal life also, when I compare my kids, we always say this is your weakness, you do that area. Instead of saying that this is your plus point, you focus on this plus point. So from this training, from today onwards, forget about the weakness. What is my strength? I have to live with my strength. So this is the which I have grabbed in this.
Sir, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much, Vinay San, Patil San, for organizing this kind of training for us. Important point is, once again we could revise that teamwork is very important, and we realize that in this small experiments. So for us, for our kind of organization, teamwork is very important. And at the same time, we all are managers, so we need to understand what is our vision. Tomorrow's, maybe down the line, one month after, 2 months up, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years. So that way we have to plan ourselves. So that I could realize and I could understand. At the same time, like Pankaj San said, balance, work-life balance is most important thing. And strength, of course, we have to bring front. At the same time, weaknesses we should improve and slowly bring front. So that I could understand. Thank you very much.
Basically, this training was special for me because I was always complaining I don't have time to do exercise. Morning to evening I go back and there is no time. This is one good thing that Sri Sana told me, wherever free I can do some kind of basic exercise. This is a must thing because I strongly believe if I am fit I can do something. It's a basic fundamental, and I do agree with this point because this we are facing. Second point is teamwork, team building. Everyone heard about this, but what actually has to be done? I thought I have told Vinasan also some point it was missing in HMSI. So this kind of training program will really help all members because all our managers here and please I think they can stimulate in their own work area so that HMSS 3F can improve a lot in this point. And another point I would like to mention is a futuristic point. We do not have any IR issues or labor issues at this point. So what to do in case of emergencies from the 2 years or 3 years point as shop floor managers or production related issues. So that how to handle these issues are very clear now. So maybe I thought this is a lot of guidance is available from Simi-san. So these are best inputs what I have received so far with respect to these fields. So I will definitely try to improve from the those perspectives. Thanks to Vinay-san and Patil-san, my friend Jain-san and Mukta-san.